Hey, what's up guys? Ronnie Rocksmith here with USA Digi and RonnieRocksmith.com. So let's get into these secret hacks. So secret hacks are 4 super simple hacks that you can use to speed your workflow. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the page. So if you scroll down here, you'll see some buttons. You'll see 2 green buttons and 2 orange buttons. So the green buttons are important, the orange ones are optional. Now in the review video I did mention that you don't have to purchase anything to use these hacks, and I was serious about that. So these orange buttons here are just optional tools that you may want to purchase if you are really serious about marketing in your business. So let's talk about that. So the first button is to get the YouTube hack, which is the first hack in this training. The second button is to download my affiliate links template, and we'll go with that. Now the orange button here is for Click Magic. This is a serious tool if you are serious about your business, guys. I use this to track my solos, any kind of paid campaigns I'm doing, because I want to know what my ROI is, right? My return on investment is very important. I don't want to be losing money left and right? So this is an important tool. What I really like about it is you can do all kinds of things in here, right? You can use it as a link rotator if you want to ever do solo ads one day. You can also use this tool to track flag clicks. And what flag clicks are most of the time is bots. So if you're doing a paid solo ad and you want to see what's going on with that vendor to see if you're getting good real traffic, you can tell in this program how many flag clicks you're getting. So that is just one of the cool options. There's so many more. So the second button here, the orange button, is the autoresponder that I'm using, which is Get Response. I've been using this for a long time, guys. I started with Aweber. It was okay. I didn't like it too much. I wasn't getting delivery rates that great. So I switched to Get Response. I went through all kind of tribulations with them. Not me personally, like I didn't have any problems, but I remember way back then they had got hacked, but I stuck with them. They fixed the thing within like, I think it was 48 hours or so, whatever it was. They fixed it. They got everything working. And for me staying with them, they grandfathered me in to that price that I was at. Okay, well, pretty much everybody that stuck with them at that time, they grandfathered us in at that lower price because we stuck with them. And that's awesome. So, you know, pretty cool stuff. But now they have so much awesome things in here, guys, like automation. They have funnels in here, guys. Funnels. You believe that? Just the automation thing is freaking cool. There's so many things that I can do in here with automation, and I don't have to worry about spending a lot of time in Get Response doing this stuff when I can just have it automated. So cool. And the funnels, okay, you can like do in here what you do in Warrior Plus and JVZoo. You can put a product in, you can follow up with your leads. It's like it's just crazy. It's just the whole thing. It's just crazy. Look, if you want to know more about that, I don't want to spend much time in this video. I've already spent like 3 minutes just talking here. If you want to know more about the funnels things, just send me an email to ronnierock@gmail.com and I'll send you the page. I have a whole page on there which shows you the video, how it works and all that good stuff if you're interested. Okay, Ronnie Rock, that's RONNIEROKK@gmail.com. And I always check my emails, guys, and respond accordingly. So don't ever hesitate to send me an email with questions or whatever. If you want that information, guys, put in the subject line, send me information about Get Response funnels, okay? In the subject, and I'll send that link to you guys, okay? Cool. Okay, let's move on. Let's get to it. So let's do some hacks here, guys. All right, so I learned this hack from a guy named Max, okay? I actually was searching the internet for this solution and I found it, okay? So this button is actually gonna send you to the page, okay? Because I can't distribute this code to you. You can get it yourself from the page, but I just don't want to get into legal issues, you know, where I just give you the code because I didn't create it, okay? So let's just go. I'm going to click this button and show you that each link is going to open in a new window, as you can see. Maximilian, right? This is the guy that created this code. Now, here's the thing, guys. There is a paid option to this right here, which is the WordPress plugin. So if you're uncomfortable with copying codes, and pasting them in, which is a very simple thing to do. If you are, just be, you know, you don't have to use this plugin here, guys. You don't, okay? Like I said, you don't have to pay for anything with these hacks, okay? This is just an option, and I'm not affiliated with this at all. I don't get a commission. Now, keep in mind that these two, if you pick up Click Magic, that is my affiliate link and get response as well. Just keep that in mind. I'm being honest here, right? I'm always straightforward and honest. But like I said, I don't, if you want it, get it, guys. You know, it's up to you. But you don't have to use the plugin. It's just for guys or girls out there that just, no, you're just not comfortable with code, okay? But here's the cool thing. So you see this highlighted text right here? This is where you're going to put your YouTube code. Okay, so up here in the URL, you can see everything behind the equal sign. I'm going to grab this right quick, guys. Let's go back to this page. And the way that he has this set up is very cool. You can see this box down here, right? So you can put your code in here. I'm going to paste it in, and then I'm going to click this Customize Embed Code. Shaboom! You can see it added it in here for me, guys. So all you have to do now is copy this code. Okay, so I copied the code. Now I'm in my WP Super Affiliate plugin right here, right? So I want to go to edit my page. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to add this in, how easy and quick it is. Okay, so you're going to be seeing something like this, right? Okay, so the only thing you would do is just click on the text mode here. As you can see, I already have the code copied and pasted in, right? But the only thing you would want to do is just right click and paste your code in there, and it's going to show up, right, guys? I don't want to mess up my bonus page here, but I'm just going to go, actually I want to show you that this works with just a regular old WordPress page as well. So I'm going to go to pages right quick, add new. I'm just going to call this YouTube code test. Okay, I want to click on this little plus. Now we're using Gutenberg blocks. It's the new WordPress for the regular WordPress. If you're not familiar with that, that's what this is right here. Gutenberg blocks it's called, which I kind of like it. I think it's pretty cool. It does work better. So what I want to do here is I want to insert my HTML code or script code, and I'm not seeing it here, so I'm just going to type in HTML, and here we go. Okay, so now I can paste my code in here, guys. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and click publish. All right, now I wanna view my page and see what it's looking like. And there it is, guys. Let's make sure it's working. Okay, and there we go. So bada bing, bada boom, it works. All right, let's move on to the next hack. So let me go ahead and close these buttons that we're not using here. All right, guys, so I'm in my Get Response dashboard here, and I'm going to briefly just talk about basically what Jono is going to be showing you in a little minute here. I learned this from Jono, and I like to give credit where credit is due. So he's going to be showing you this technique. You know, I felt like, okay, he already created the video, so why should I create a new video? So I'm going to turn you over to Jono. He's going to show you this little hack, and then we're going to come back and do the other two hacks, okay? So basically what he's going to show you, though, you're going to be creating a form. And the reason you're creating a form is when you're an affiliate marketer and you do a promo and you make a sale, sure, you get a commission, but you only get one-time commission, right? So the thing is, you want to collect that lead so that you can market to that buyer and have a buyer's list as well, okay? So what you're going to be doing is you're going to put this form in the link on the back end, so when they go and say Warrior Plus and click the blue button to get the bonuses, it's going to show a landing page, an opt-in page, right? And they're going to fill that out. They're going to go on your list, and you set the redirect link to go to the bonus page that you created for them. So now you have a new buyer lead, and they got their bonuses. Make sense? Okay, here's Jono, and he's going to show you how to do it.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jono here, and now in this tutorial, as promised, I'm going to show you a real nifty, crafty way, and you can build your buyers list. So I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm just going to share my screen now, and I'm going to jump into it and show you what's going on. Okay, so I'm going to go through to, first of all, I'm going to go and grab my bonus delivery URL from here. Okay, let's do it for Affiliate Psycho. So I got all of my URLs here. This particular one is my bonus delivery URL. Okay, I'm using Commission Gorilla. You might not be, but anyway, go and grab your bonus delivery URL, and then you're going to go first to your autoresponder. Okay, now I'm using get response. I don't know how you do this in Aweber if you do have Aweber, but I'm pretty sure, I'm certain it's possible. But so I'm just going to go through to, in get response, I go through to forms and surveys. I click on that. Now I've already created a form that I use every single time, and you would have seen this when you got these bonuses. I'll just remind you what it looks like. It looks like this, okay? And this is something that GetResponse has made. I just edited it. It's so easy to do. People enter their first name, their email address. They click on on send here, and then they get redirected to the bonus delivery page, which is going to look like this. So as soon as they've entered their information, as soon as they've entered their name and their email address, then they'll get redirected to here where they can download their bonuses. Okay, but first of all, I do capture their name and their email address. So to do this, just go to the forms. Okay, you can create a form. You can make it look exactly the same. I just used a simple template. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through here and duplicate it. So if I click on duplicate, I'm just going to go through to my, just make sure it's the right one, Affiliate Psycho. So I'm just going to go to edit, and I'm going to show you what I do. So I would click duplicate, but it's going to load up exactly like this. Okay, and even if you create a brand new form, then you can choose from the templates, and I just use this one. So I just go to settings here, right? And I type in the name of the product. In this case, it's Affiliate Psycho. And then I choose the list that I want them to go onto. In this case, it's this particular buyers list. And then where it says thank you page, I select custom. Okay, and then I paste in my delivery URL there, my bonus delivery URL. That's where I paste in my bonus delivery URL right there. And then again, here, okay, already subscribed. I set it to custom, and then I send them also to my bonus delivery URL. Once I've done that, okay, I just scroll down, just move this out of the way. And I click on save, and then click on save and publish, right? And then down here in get response, it says get response will host my form. In Aweber, it'll give you some kind of link, some kind of direct link like this. This is what you need. You don't want some JavaScript like this. This is not going to work. You could pull this particular one out of here, but anyway, if they have a direct link, get response will host my form. They have something similar in Aweber, you can use that. So we're just going to copy this whole link, okay? And then we're going to go to the JV page. In this case, the JV page of Affiliate Psycho. And there's somewhere on here, it's going to say affiliate link. It's the same place where you went to go and apply for your link in the first place. So I'm going to click on here, my affiliate link. It's going to take me through to the back end of Warrior Plus. I'm going to click on link details. And this is where I'm going to paste in that link that I just copied. I'm just going to paste it in there. All right. Now, this is what the buyers are going to see inside in the little blue button that says bonuses from affiliate. That's where it's going to take them. That's where you need to post it. And don't post your bonus delivery link here like Lee is telling you inside of Affiliate Psycho. Post in the link to your squeeze page instead with your bonus delivery link on the back end. That's how you're going to collect buyer subscribers. Okay. In JVZoo, it's pretty similar. Again, you would go through, you'd make your form. Okay, you would copy the link from your form, and then you would go through to JVZoo. Let me just find an offer on JVZoo. This one here. Again, you'd go through to the JV page of the offer. If it's hosted on JVZoo, then you would go to get your affiliate link on JVZoo. And it's exactly the same process. They have a field here which says add bonus. You'd put bonus name. I just put bonuses from Jono, and then bonus URL. That's where you would paste the URL from your squeeze page, which has your bonus delivery link in the settings. Okay, that's basically how to do it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll speak to you on the next one. Take care.
Okay, welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little hack. It's an incredible effective hack, guys, for building a buyer's list. Hey guys, so let's talk about the tracking hack. This is hack number 3. And this is the software that I was telling you about, Click-O-Magic, that I use, and I love this software. It tracks what I need to know and very effectively. You can also use this for rotation. So in other words, sort of like with Jono and Brendan, if you're familiar with that, they do this thing called reverse conga. And that's what they're using, the rotator links. So they actually using this software as well. But guys, here's a little tip. Do not send solo ads to a brand new spanking launch, okay? Because what's going to happen is their EPCs are going to go down, and vendors don't like that. And basically what that means is if you're sending like say 1,000 people right to the sales page, it's going to track those EPCs, the conversion rates. And if nobody buys, or just say if one person out of that 1,000 buys, it's going to drop that EPC rate down and make the product look like it's not as good as it should be. Okay, you see what I'm saying? What you want to do is, what we typically do is, if we're going to use solo traffic for a particular launch, we're not going to do it while the launch is in effect. We'll wait till the launch is over, right? We'll buy the resale rights of that product, and then we'll send solo ads, and then we get 100% commissions throughout that whole funnel. Makes sense? Now, that's a little trick I learned from Anthony Mancuso. Pretty cool. So, wow, I just gave you guys another little hack for free. But what you're going to be doing here is getting my affiliate link template, okay? This is very important. Don't overwrite the original here. So what you're going to want to do is make a promo folder. Here's how I do it. I make a promo folder for whatever product that I'm promoting, let's say WP Super Affiliate. And what I would do is copy this file from my desktop or wherever I'm keeping it, and then paste it inside the promo, right? That way I'm not writing over the original, and I always have the original available as a fresh copy. So this is how you use this, guys. So let me just go ahead and show you right quick. It's basically a template that you can use to track your affiliate links, so you know what's going on with that without using this software. Of course, it's not as good as this software, but it's a basic solution, you know, just to see where your sales are coming from. Let me show you what that is. So let me just go back to the page you're on here, and that would be right here. You'll download it. It's a zip file, guys. Make sure you have an unzipping program like WinZip. If you don't have an unzipping program, just go to Google, search for free unzipping program, download it, and then you'll be able to extract this zip file into what it is, which is going to be a text doc, and it's going to look like this. Let's see. I'm just going to grab this link here, Eclipse. Okay, so you would grab your link, all right, and you would use this template here to paste in your main link right here, just like that. Okay, so this is your main link, right, guys? So this is, let's say you're sending out emails just about the product, okay? You don't have a bonus page. Now, I recommend doing a bonus page because that's going to give them an extra incentive to purchase from you. But if you're just sending out emails, you just, okay, you copy your link here. Make sure you copy the full link and just drop it right here in front of this link, okay? Boom. So when you make a sale in Warrior Plus, it's going to show the sales that came from email, okay? If you're doing a Gmail ad, if you're using the stealth method, you paste your link in front of this one, and you use this link for your ad, or this link if you're doing a blog, or this link if you're sending them to a bonus page, right? You would copy this link and add it to your buttons. This link if you're putting this in YouTube, so you know that original link came from YouTube, if you're just putting that in your description instead of the bonus page link. Or you could do an exit. So if you're using WP Super Affiliate, for instance, I'm just going to paste the link, okay, /exit, okay? So I would copy this link here and paste it for that pop-up that would come up where I made my hyperlink, right? So that will tell me in Warrior Plus, if I make a sale, that it actually came from that pop-up box. So like I said, guys, tracking is very important with your marketing because you want to know what's going on in your business, where your sales coming from. Because once you see where your sales are coming from, then that means you can really focus on that area and do more of that. Okay, makes sense? Okay, guys, so hack number 4 is image optimization. So with WP super affiliate, they showed you how to use Optimizilla. So let's go to that page right quick. And the one that I'm using is right here. It's called Smush It. Okay, and this is actually a plugin. Okay, so why this is a better hack than using this one? It basically does the same thing, but you don't have to upload your file. So see, with this one here, you have to actually upload the files, right? It'll optimize it for you, compress it basically, and then you have to download them, okay, and then re-upload them to your website. So it's a little bit of a hassle. I mean, it works, but it's a little bit of a hassle. So if you use the hack that I'm using here, which is the Smush It image optimizer, and I want to talk about this. It's really cool. So basically how it works, you install it, it's a plugin, so it's free, and every image that you upload into your site, it automatically optimizes and compresses it. There is a limit to what you can compress as far as the free version, okay? But you get up to 5 megabytes, right? You can optimize pictures up to 5 megabytes for free. So as you can see right here, the API accepts JPEGs, PNG, and GIF files up to 5 megabytes. Guys, 5 megabytes is a super big picture. So let me just show you with this calculator here, right? 1,000 kilobytes is 1 megabit, right? So this allows you 5 megabits, which would be 5,000 kilobytes. Let me just show you an example. I'm going to open a large file right here. Okay, large file. Bring this in so you can see. So this is a snail. It's high resolution, right? You can see it's 6,000 by 400 pixels. That's pretty big, guys. And it's only at 3.26 megabytes, okay? You get up to 5 megabytes. So you can see you can upload some really large files if you want to. Now, I don't recommend, uploading big files. 600 by whatever would be fine for images online, and it'll compress that. So it'll help your site load faster. But the main point that I'm getting at here is what you want to do is this saves you a lot of time, guys. You don't have to upload and then download and then upload again. You just upload it one time to your website and it's done. So another thing that this does, which is pretty cool, and I didn't know until I installed it, is if you have images already on your site, when you install this program and go through the settings, it allows you to compress everything that's in there already. So that's going to speed up your website. Really cool, right? Okay, so let's get on with it, brothers. So here's how you install this. So you go to your plugins, right here, and you want to go to add new. Okay, we want to add a new plugin, just in case you don't know how to do this. Okay, and go over here where it says search plugins. So this is with a capital S, smush.it. Okay, so here we are, guys. So this is the one you want to download. So you should see an install now button right here. Once you click that, it's going to install it, and then you click the activate button and you'll be good to go. Everything you do from there on will optimize your images to make your website speedier, and you won't have to worry about uploading and downloading and uploading again your images. So that about wraps up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my secret hacks. Put them to good use. They are cool and very, very effective. So I hope to see you in some future trainings. I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith with USA Digi and RonnieRockSmith.com. Thanks for your time and interest. And guys, happy marketing.